Anna. Today I'm going on my dad's new boat with my family, so I'm very excited. And then this weekend I'm going on a girls trip with my mom, so I'm excited to vlog it for everyone. Welcome to my channel, subscribe down below. But yeah, I just got back from the gym. Clean. I just got a package from Lulu. Cute. The cool braids are back pink. I just took a shower and now I'm going to pack. Alrighty, I thought I would show you what I'm packing. First of all, here's my outfit. Alrighty, so for tonight for the boat, I'm wearing this swimsuit, the Billabong cover up. Have all my toiletries stuff. And then I have two shirts. Swimsuits, two from Shein, one from O'Neill. I have my shorts, comfy car ride outfit, and then PJs and like fire outfits. And I don't know. And then I have my Birks, and then I'm bringing these tennis shoes. So, yeah. Oh, hi. Hi. Hi, little bud.
I don't want to be on your camera.
Why?
And you're like trying to be.
Careful! Hell yeah, Grace! I did not end off my vlog yesterday because after we got done boating, I just went home with my little brother. We honestly ate and went to bed. And then, yeah, now it's the next day. And I'm on my way up north with my mom. But we were running a couple errands, just got a smoothie. Very good. And we're grocery shopping right now. I'm getting ice and a couple snacks. And I'm just waiting for my mom. There's so many people staring at me right now. But yeah, we're going up north Minnesota. Yeah, I'm excited to show you more. said goodbye, so I just wanted to end it off and say thank you for watching. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my first video, and I'm so excited for more. I also want to say that there will be a ton of links in the description for everything that's going on in the world. I feel like I don't want to be ignorant to all that, so just so you know. So please check them out, and thank you for watching. Bye.